Calvin's challenged me, innit?
Yes.
You just bought me a block of cheese, an old butcher's knife like that, and he said to me, how do you open your cheese? And I said, well, like everyone else, really. I normally slice it there, open it up, pull it back, hold it so my hand's not on the cheese, it's on the wrapper, and then I cut my cheese down, whatever I want to cut.
That wasn't my problem. That wasn't the problem that I had, though.
No, your problem you had was about wrapping it up, putting it back in the fridge.
You always goes hard. It goes on
hard and
manky.
manky. Yeah, it depends on how often you use your cheese, though. If you leave it in there for 3 weeks.
Single man, though, you've got loads of kids.
Yeah, so they get through it quick. It's gone. Calvin said there's an idea that he's seen where you cut through it and use it as a sleeve, and I think this is what you mean, Calv. I might be wrong. This is good knife. Best knife. I think you're talking about cutting this like this, Calv. Yeah?
Yeah.
Pull that out. There's your bit of cheese, and then you've got your wrapper. Is that what you're saying? You fold that down?
No. You go all the way through. All the way through that. Right. And then use that as a little hat.
Okay. But then it still fall off in your fridge. That's a shit hack.
It's not.
Because that still fall off in the fridge.
It's not. That's probably not the best cheese to have used.
Why not?
Calvin,
because of the wrapper.
If you think that's protection, mate, I don't know how you haven't got any kids.
Calvin, all cheese comes in that sort of...
That's the wrapper.
I done a trial one the other night with Red Leicester in the actual, when it was vacuumed against it, and it actually worked. It was tight.
It's worked. Listen, it's worked. I'm not saying it hasn't worked, because I would have normally just cut that open there, and then you get a bit of tin foil or a bit of cling film over it. That's what I do indoors.
I wouldn't worry about all that.
But then it's a little hack though, isn't it?
Yeah.
If you didn't have cling film.
Yeah, if you didn't have cling film, or if you didn't have any foil.
Listen, it's about rewriting the wheel sometimes, isn't it? Do you know what I mean? So we can't reinvent the pack of cheese, but we just reinvented how you wrap your pack of cheese. You want that bit of cheese?
No, I want a bit of it.
I know, I can see your face looking at it.
Yeah, I love cheese. All I eat is cheese.
Is it?
Cheese and cake.
Cheese and cake.
Cheese and cake and Coca-Cola and
of cake.
vodka.
Lots of that. But there you go, Kel.
That's a nice bit of cheese.
It worked better when I trialled it.
Well, no, it works now. That's perfect.
That is a really nice bit of cheese, though. It's got a real...
Yeah, because look, it's mature, isn't it? Extra mature.
And also, look, you know why it worked on that other plastic ones you're talking about? Because on this, they are using 40% less plastic.
Yeah.
Right? So that is why on your one, it's tighter and works.
Yeah.
Because there's not as much
it was more vacuumed.
plastic on there.
Yeah.
That they're saving on plastic.
There you go.
Thanks, Deb.
So there you go, look, that's it. You wouldn't know, actually. I could go and put that back on the shelves at the shops now, and no one would know.
I think we should.
Do you? Get our money back. That's about £8, isn't it? How much is that?
3 quid.
Is it? Cheesy. Yeah, come on.